We are gathered here this morning, ladies and gentlemen, to kick off the practical workshop on Common Reporting Standards CRS compliance audits, an initiative of the Global Forum of OECD. The Mauritius Revenue Authority is indeed pleased to host this workshop and meet professionals in CRS from some 42 or 48 participating countries. As we all know, CRS is a global standard developed by OECD for the automatic exchange of financial account information between participating jurisdictions. Its primary goal is to combat tax evasion by requiring financial institutions to report information about accounts held by non-residents to their home tax authorities. CRS compliance audits are crucial for maintaining legal and financial integrity, protecting institutions from risks, and contributing to global tax governance efforts.